For this Kemper head project, or rotary head, whatever you want to call it, the rebuilding I'm doing, they basically really recommended us to use MIG welding because it's a lot smoother, and you want everything to be running smooth on this head as everything goes through it. You don't want any hang-ups. So our uncle was kind enough to let us borrow his. I did this first one just now as kind of a trial, and then I put it on here to make sure I wasn't going to catch anywhere. So these are my practice welds. They're not very pretty yet, but hopefully after a little while I will get better and better. But basically we're building up these worn edges where these fingers are leading it into here. It had worn pretty thin to where some of them had broken off, so this one I had to rebuild completely. I'm putting key stock for building keyways for a shaft. Got pieces of that, and I'm welding it on the inside of here to thicken this back up. This one was broken off here, and you know, the rest were getting thin enough they were going to break, and also it doesn't feed as well. You want these nice and close here to stick those corn stalks or sorghum stalks right in there, and then it gets taken on around into the mouth. So we were having plugging back here, but I think it was caused from uneven feeding farther out. But I also have a few of these clean outs. So this is the new one I put on here. That'll help clean out these spinners. I don't remember if I showed these, but they were pretty worn. Once they wear out, then it starts wearing into the head itself. So that's a pretty big project.